Ladies and gentlemen, harvesting time na naman tayo guys. Shout out to all of you. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Andito naman tayo harvesting. Sakop ng Claver, Ladgaron, Claver, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. They are using Kubota Combine Harvester DC-70 Plain. Ito po ay plain guys. They are harvesting. Nag-harvest po sila sa palayang ito in extreme conditions. A very deep mud guys. Look at that. Good morning to you all. Shout out to all farmers all over the world. At sa Pilipinas, shout out sa inyong lahat mga farmers dyan. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Dyan sa Agusan del Norte at Agusan del Sur. Sa Surigao del Sur, sa Zamboanga, sa Davao del Sur, sa General Santos City. Shout out sa Iloilo, sa Visayas region. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Ah, daming kambing dito guys, oh. Ah, grabe ang mud guys, oh. Andun si ate, oh, nagbabantay ng kambing. Coming from break time guys because of heavy rain. Now they are back again harvesting. Thank you.